welcome to the channel. I am holding this up because I forgot the stick for my GoPro, and we are going to the Chibana Dog Park because we are actually going to go to the Bow WOW Luau. I've never been to it before, but I got a little buddy in the car, I got Smokey in the back. We are going to have a blast, and I've got a special trick for Smoke. Got a new accessory for the GoPro. We're going to see if it works or not. Stay tuned because this is going to be a pretty awesome, short but awesome video. Good morning. We are at Chibana Dog Park because they're having a doggy luau. And so our dog Smoke, right here, we're gonna put a camera on him and see how many friends he can make today. Let's go. So they do this, I guess, once every year. Doggy luau, it's Bow WOW Luau, whatever it's called. It's actually pretty cool. Except for the mud puddles. I'm trying to keep Smokey out of the mud puddles. If I can do that, the day is a success.
So we're having a Bow WOW Luau. We have vendors. We have oars here with adoptable pets. We have pets that are adoptable. We have retail, and we had competitions going on today. And we just also have a lot of other fun stuff going on. So it's been a great day. So we have a Facebook page at Caring Kennels Adoption Facility, and you can find out all the events. And everyone posts and everyone reposts and shares, so you'll find out from that way. Or if you want to come into Caring Kennels and ask what's the next event going on.
So it looks like the weather has turned and it might rain soon. So we're gonna try to maybe get out of here. There's a lot of cute dogs. Everyone seems to be having a fun time, including Smoke with the Smoky Cam. Fun? So the Bow WOW Luau. It's not a bad place to be in an afternoon. So if you've got pets and stuff, look for stuff on their Facebook page. There's a lot of cool dog parks around here. This Chibana Dog Park next to the golf course is actually really, really big. I might have to bring Smoker here more often because look at him. Even my little buddy's tired. Hey, are you tired? So a short one, but a fun one, trying a new GoPro out on Smokey. So thanks for watching, everybody. And if you know anybody in the military, active duty or spouse, give them a hug or handshake because it ain't easy. And I will see you next video. Come on, Smokey.